Today, I am reviewing ASUS TUF Gaming A16. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The ASUS TUF Gaming A16 2025 edition is a powerhouse laptop designed for gamers, creators, and professionals who demand high performance, durability, and reliability in one sleek package. Built with military-grade toughness, this machine combines cutting-edge components and smart engineering to deliver a gaming experience that's smooth, immersive, and dependable, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. At its core, the TUF Gaming A16 is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7445HS processor, which brings 6 high-efficiency cores and 12 threads to handle everything from intense gaming sessions to demanding multitasking with ease. This CPU delivers a base clock of 3.2 GHz and can boost up to an impressive 4.7 GHz, ensuring ultra-fast responsiveness even under heavy workloads. It's built to outperform Intel's i7-13700 in many gaming and productivity benchmarks, giving you top-tier performance at a better value. Paired with this is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 GPU, one of the most balanced and efficient graphics cards of 2025. With 6 GB of GDDR6 VRAM and NVIDIA's latest architecture, it delivers realistic lighting, smooth frame rates, and ray tracing support for lifelike gaming visuals. Whether you're exploring massive open worlds, streaming content, or editing 4K videos, the RTX 4050 ensures you experience buttery smooth visuals without lag or tearing. The display on this laptop is another standout feature. It comes with a 16-inch WUXGA IPS panel offering a resolution of 1920 by 1200, giving you a taller 16:10 aspect ratio that's perfect for both gaming and productivity. The 144 Hz refresh rate ensures that fast-paced action looks fluid and responsive, while the 100% sRGB color accuracy makes visuals pop with vibrant, true-to-life tones. Combined with NVIDIA G-Sync and FreeSync support, the display virtually eliminates screen tearing and stuttering, making every frame crisp and immersive. ASUS has paid special attention to cooling, which is often a weak spot in gaming laptops. The TUF Gaming A16 uses a dual-fan cooling system with 84-blade arc flow fans, multiple exhaust vents, and a well-structured heat pipe layout. This design effectively keeps temperatures low and performance consistent, even during long gaming marathons. Despite this powerful cooling setup, the laptop remains whisper quiet, which is perfect for both gaming and late-night work. The TUF A16 also impresses with its military-grade durability. It's built to withstand everyday bumps, heat, and pressure, giving you peace of mind that this laptop is made to last. At just 4.85 pounds and 0.87 inches thin, it's surprisingly portable for a 16-inch gaming machine. You can easily carry it in your backpack and enjoy desktop-level performance wherever you go. In terms of memory and storage, you get 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, ensuring fast multitasking and seamless switching between applications. The 512 GB PCIe SSD provides lightning-fast boot times and short loading screens, while ASUS includes a 128 GB external SSD accessory for extra convenience and storage flexibility. Together, these deliver both speed and space for games, creative files, and productivity tools. The keyboard is another high point, featuring RGB backlighting that allows you to game or work in any lighting condition while adding a customizable aesthetic flair. It also includes a numeric keypad for easy data entry and productivity. Meanwhile, the AI noise cancellation feature helps ensure clear voice chat and conference calls by filtering out unwanted background sounds. Combined with Dolby Atmos and high-res audio support, this laptop delivers a truly immersive sound experience whether you're gaming, streaming, or listening to music. Connectivity is robust as well. You get the latest Wi-Fi 6 for fast, stable wireless internet, Bluetooth 5.3 for peripheral pairing, HDMI for external displays, and a Thunderbolt 4 port for ultra-fast data transfer and device charging. The inclusion of an RJ45 LAN port ensures reliable wired connections for serious online gaming, while the webcam and integrated microphone make it perfect for streaming or video calls. Running on Windows 11 Home, the ASUS TUF Gaming A16 feels modern, optimized, and ready for next-gen computing. It strikes the perfect balance between gaming power and productivity, making it ideal for gamers, students, and professionals who want a laptop that can handle it all. Overall, the ASUS TUF Gaming A16 2025 with the Ryzen 7 7445HS and RTX 4050 GPU is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking performance, durability, and value in one powerful package. It's fast, cool, and intelligently designed, a gaming laptop that truly earns the TUF name. Whether you're fighting in competitive games, creating content, or tackling demanding workloads, this laptop won't just keep up. It'll lead the way.